you're here. To my subscribers, welcome back, and for those of you who will be subscribing in the future, a big thank you. So guys, today I did a look featuring one of the palettes from Morphe and Jacylin Hill, the Vault collection. It is the Ring the Alarm palette, and guys, I am in love with this palette. It came through for me, and I don't know. I don't know if it's because I like how this look came out, but girl, honey, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Do you? Because I do. I love it, guys. So yeah, that's all I have to say, really, you know. So everything I use will be listed in the description bar below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, everyone. And I do hope that you will enjoy this video. Bye. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeshadow base. And I like to use this. I don't like to use a concealer and powder method because I just believe that the colors don't pop as much with that. So I like a wet, sticky base. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pat that in. I went into my crease with a shimmer shade, so I'm going to try that today, and I'm going to use the shade Bomb Ass. I'm holding the palette upside down so that the mirror won't be in my way. So let's go in and see how this looks. I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Framed, and again I'm holding the palette upside down. It's this deep burgundy looking palette. It comes off as brown in the camera, I don't know why, but yeah, let's go in with that. So I'm gonna go in with my Eco Tools detail liner brush, and I'm gonna cut my crease with this. I always try to go in with a small brush because it's more defined and it helps me to have better control when I'm cutting my crease. So I'm gonna go in again with my NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna cut the crease. Okay guys, so going in with my Morphe M421 brush, I'm gonna go in with the color Lolly, and it's this color right here. Go over and make a very thin line. And just stop it right at the end. So I'm now going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Nude. I'll be using this on my highlight, and yes, hunty. So in the areas where I just highlighted, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm just patting it into my skin. The rest of my face, I'll be going in with the IMAN. This is Earth Medium setting powder, and yeah, it's a bit darker than me, but I don't mind because I do have highlighted areas. So yeah. Guys, so I already lined beneath my waterline, and I'm gonna go in with the two colors Lolly and Frame. So on the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Lolly. So guys, for blush, I'm gonna be using this Miskos brand that I got from Amazon a while back. And it's 9B palette, and I will be going with this color right here for my blush. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with the highlight Cheehoo, and this is from the Morphe and Bretman Babe in Paradise highlight palette. Okay guys, so for my lips, I'm going in with this color called Queen, and it's by Kiss. It's a plummy color, and it's really pretty.